a bit heavy.
Is it?
Yeah.
Come over here so I can see too.
I think this is going to be a bit
Okay,
heavier.
who's it from?
Which says 2 love Nigel again. It says Nigel.
No. Look at it.
Oh.
N A N N A. Nana. Nana and
Papa.
that's right. You're lucky.
Look, there's a fan on it.
Yeah.
Do it on the table, Bubby. They're beautiful. Just give me a beautiful, happy smile. Just a natural, happy smile. That's beautiful. Beautiful, darling. Open it up.
Let's see what Nana Papa bought you.
I think that's already undone. I can't give Nana or Papa a hug because they're up in the sky.
No, they're in Sydney.
Oh, they got me this. This is what I got for the other Christmas. Wow, a tiara! Wow, Mummy.
Face this way.
I got two.
It's beautiful.
I've got a tiara too, Mummy.
Oh, that's lovely, Jasmine. Oh, that's nice of Nana and Papa, isn't it?
Yes.
Now look.
What else is in there?
Oh, there's some sparkly stuff.
Like bubble baths and things.
Yes, you can put in bubble baths and stuff, can't you?
Would you like to wear your tiara?
Yes, now.
Want to wear it?
Yeah. I can